Hi everyone. Let's see the question. Let's read the question. A student is using a convex lens. So in your exam, the question is coming. Then you have to read once, twice. Then you have more clarity. A student is using a convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. So write down. He is using a convex lens. Now draw the convex lens. Clear? Roughly you can draw. Like this is convex lens. Optical center. Clear? Now what the question is saying that its focal length is 10 centimeter. It means f will be 10. To study the image formation by a convex lens for the various position of an object, in one of his observation he may observe that when the object is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter from the lens, it means what? This is focus. This is twice of focus. An object is here. Clear? When the object is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter from the lens, this is f. You are saying f1, f2. I say like it is because since it is a like convex lens and it has a radius of curvature r, it is also having the radius of curvature r. So I'm saying that here f2f, f2f. We can write, no problem. Now look at this. Its image is formed obviously since object is placed at center of curvature. Its image will be formed at center of curvature. Clear? So image will be formed at 20 centimeter, same size as object. If it is height of image, this is height of object. Magnification will be hi by ho. So its value will be minus 1. I am writing this magnitude, okay? Minus 1 is indicating that it is real, okay? Inverted, same size as object. Same size as object, okay? And one more thing, like how do you know like it is formed behind the mirror? So m is equal to what? V by u. Since it is minus 1, u is negative, then say sign of v comes out to be positive. So positive means the image is formed in the right, like here. Okay, if it is AB, then this is A dash, B dash, like this. So option C27 on the other side of the lens and is of same size as real inverted. Magnified, no. Erect, no. It is inverted, okay? Option virtual they are saying wrong. So option C is correct. Clear? Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.